Hi everyone, today I am going to talk about a new feature in AOS-CX 10.16, diff mode in the checkpoint diff command. This feature helps us compare configuration files in a smarter and more accurate way. In earlier version of AOS-CX, we already had the checkpoint diff command to compare configs. It used the basic Linux diff tool, which checks line by line. From version 10.16, we have a new option called the diff mode. With diff mode, the system does not care about the order of the lines. Instead, it focuses on the real config value in each section. So, when can you use diff mode? It can be used when we compare running config, starter config, or checkpoint files. It can be used we want to ignore small difference like line order. It can be used we care about real change in a configuration. This makes it easier to understand what really changed, and that improves service and troubleshooting. Here is an example. File A and file B have the same VLANs, but the order is different. Without diff mode, the diff tool shows them as different. With diff mode, the switch sees they are the same and show no difference. This is really helpful when you use templates or import external configs. Here is the full command syntax. You can compare two checkpoint files or compare with a file from a SFTP server. You can also add the BAP option if you're using a management BAP. Just add the keyword diff at the end to turn on diff mode. This example shows a config file that wasn't formatted correctly. The switch will give you rating if it sees tab or poor indentation. These warnings help us fix problem before the config is applied. This time, the switch found the duplicate VLAN entry. In diff mode, the switch reads the config like a tree, and if something wrong, it will stop and show an error. This helps avoid putting bad config on the system. So why did we build diff mode? The current config order isn't always the same, and small difference can show up even when nothing's really changed. Diff mode uses Python script to understand the config structure. It compares the actual data, not just line. This helps us clearly see what actually changed and make automation more reliable. This is just a quick demo of the previous example, showing how diff mode works when using an SFTP file. We will see the real difference and get warnings if the format is not clean. This demo made on CX 6200 switch with 10.16. I will check running configuration. It doesn't have a VLAN 20. But the starter configuration have VLAN 200. Like this. I will compare the running config and starter configuration with the checkpoint diff command in normal mode. Here is what it shows. If we use diff mode, we can see more simple output like this. For this demo, I prepared exported configuration files. The first one is this. I just added VLAN 200 to this file like this. Here, I just added the VLAN 200 between VLAN 1 and VLAN 10. I'll compare this file with the running configuration in normal mode. It shows like this. I will use diff mode again. It shows more simple output. Only showed VLAN 200 like this. In the second file, I just deleted the VLAN 200 with exclamation mark like this. I will compare this file with the running configuration in normal mode. It shows like this. I will use diff mode again. It shows no difference in combination message. It's more smart output than normal mode. That's all for the diff mode feature in Checkpoint diff mode. If you have any question or want to test in your environment, please reach out to the system engineering team or check with PLM and development contacts. Thank you.